Hello, today I'm going to show you how to edit a workout on the Apple Watch. So, it really doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have, it's going to work on all Apple Watches available on the market. And today in front of me is Apple Watch SE, first generation, the 40mm size. So, if you want to edit some workout, you just want to go to the applications menu and open the workout app by pressing it. And now, as you can see, we have all the workouts that were added from the factory settings, and also on the bottom you can add a workout. But let's just say we want to, I don't know, maybe star stepper. And if you want to edit a workout, you just want to click on the 3 little dots right here. So let's just click on them. And now, as you can see, you can adjust the time. So yeah, adjust the time. Too fast. Just click on the pencil, and now, as you can see, you can click on this little time right here. You want to click on it, and now you can adjust the time that you want it to be. For example, let's say 15 minutes. If you want to adjust hours, just click on the hours and scroll a little and just click maybe 3 hours. I don't know who is going to be on a step strapper for over 3.5 hours, but okay, it doesn't matter. And maybe the calorie goal. Let's click on this also and click on the kilocalories, and now you can adjust the kilocalories that you want to burn during the workout. So let's go down. So many calories for 3.5 hours. So maybe let's say 1500. Yeah, 1500 is okay. And now to accept, just click done. And also, this is all you can adjust in this various workout, And also, if you want to go maybe swimming, let's find swimming. Where is swimming? Oh, pole swim. As you can see, here you can also adjust not the time, but also the distance in meters and miles and the kilocalories. And if you want to adjust them, you're doing the same steps that I have shown you earlier. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.